gummies.
You had gummies?
Yeah.
You eat them all up? Huh? I think you ate them all up.
More gummies. More gummies.
They're all gone.
More gummies.
Yeah. Can't have no more, not now. Are you being a brat? No, don't throw that down. No, don't throw your chocolate milk away. What'd Grandma say? Huh?
No.
How come you did it then?
Grandma.
What? How come you threw your milk away when I told you no?
Nook.
Huh?
Nook.
You can't have no nook.
Daddy Nook.
Huh?
Daddy Nook.
Daddy don't have no nook.
Daddy's car. Nook.
Daddy got nook in the car?
Yeah.
He does. He probably does, huh? Don't do that. Don't do that. You wrecked Grandma's cupboard. What'd I say?
Nook.
No. Oh, what'd you just do? Burped? What'd you say?
Excuse me.
Yeah, that's what you say.
Excuse me first.
You're such a good girl, aren't you? Hey, stop. You're just pushing the limit.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Climb.
No, not climb. You get down.
I sit down. I sit down.
Yeah,
I
you
sit
sit
down.
down all right. You sit down all right.
Dum, 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 dum.
You're gonna fall. What's that? That's candy. I don't think you can have that. It's too chewy. Whoops. What'd you just do? That's hard candy. I don't think you like that. Ta-da! You're a stinker.
My grandma. Look it.
Yeah. That's a Werther's. That's kind of big piece. Pretty big piece for you.
What?
You can't. No, you can't chew it. It's too hard.
Too hard?
Yeah, it's not like gummies. No, that's no good either.
Oh, Grandma.
Help. I don't think you can chew that, honey.
Yuck. Yucky.
Yucky? Yeah, you try and chew it. It's like gum. I don't think you can chew it. Can you chew it? Chew it up. Are you chewing it? I think it's kind of chewy, isn't it? Throw it away. It's icky. You can't chew it. I don't think you can chew it. No, no more in there, honey. No. There's nothing in there for you.
No.
You're silly. You're silly. What's this all about? What's this all about, huh? Is that how you dance?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9.
Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think you better get down off the cupboard, huh? You better get down off the cupboard before we fall down. There you go.
I want it.
You don't want it? No, I didn't think you wanted it.
Butter.
Oh, you're a kid. You're a kid and a half. Okay, let's get down now. Come on, 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 come on. Yeah. Oh, she's so smart. She's so smart. Come here, Punk. Come here, let's get down now. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We gotta get down. Oh, there you go.